Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I really want to, oh my god, look at this entry. This is a very terrible start. Oh my god. Alright, I am starting over from 10k and this is my first trade. Doesn't look very good. This is just simply a doji break in a very small ranging market and against the trend. Okay, let me just be honest with you guys. It's been about 35 minutes that I am on the charts, okay? And I missed some beautiful entries. Let me just show you all of that. All right, that was the first trade. I missed some beautiful trades, man. You can't even believe that. Let me just show you some of them. These, you know, I'm in the chart from here. I waited for this doji break and I missed this trade, okay? And then there was a QM. I know that this is a very good place for taking buys. Even the next time, the buyers will support this. And I missed this trade, which was very good. And then I missed this trade as a third touch breakout. And also I missed this QM and this buy right here, which was very solid, beautiful buy, closing on the support, creating higher high and being the third touch. Okay, so there was some good trades. Oh my god, it seems that I missed this doji break as well, but it's against the trend, isn't it? We have major ranging market and minor uptrend, so this doji break is against the trend, which I missed, but breaking it from the downside, which will give me a beautiful trade because we have this overlapping area, overlap, boom, and if you break this overlap right here is going to act like a doji itself, and then this doji here as well if it's broken from the downside. So imagine if the next candle is like that, okay, red one, just like that, breaking the overlap and the doji, it will give me a beautiful buy, okay? Also, it can give me, no, it could give me a third touch breakout if this shadow was a bit higher, but it's not, okay? So it's rejected from here. As you can see, if we were taking this trade, we would lose this trade because it's against the trend. And yeah. Let me just move on to the next chart. All right, there's another doji break, which is beautiful with the trend. All right, let me just go to lower time frame real fast. Oh my god, I missed the correct entry on this one again. Holy shit. Look at that. The entry should have been here. Come on. Push a little bit higher. It was a losing trade. Fine. The correct entry for this one should be exactly right here. And I will tell you why. Let's go back to 1 minute. So as you can see here, we have a decision point, okay? And if you look, this is an ABC to the upside, and this is a respected resistance. And if we go back to the lower time frame on this one, we will find fresh entries, okay? So this is the first fresh demand, and this is the next fresh area, which my entry should have been here, which I was late and I put my entry somewhere up here. Basically, my entry was right here, right at the tip of the candle, which made me lose this trade. So what do we learn from this is that the entries are super, super important. If you're smart enough, we should wait for the best possible entries. For example, you could also consider this common point of rejection. You can see we have a rejection market. We have multiple rejections all over the place, and we could take our trade below that. So If you see the candle already rejected, do not enter out of frustration or out of FOMO, which I did on this one. I don't care, I can make this up, but it will be so difficult for you if you lose such a trade. If you lose some good trades, it might make you take some random trades and blow your account, okay? Do not do that. But in my case, I know that I will make that up. It's pretty normal for me because I've been doing this for a long time and it doesn't really change anything in me. That's why I don't care that much, okay? So I'm just gonna move on and find another entry. All right, there's a setup is about to form right here. It's going to be a third touch breakout, but we have this seller's momentum right here. So going against it is going to be risky, but we have the trend with us, minor trend and major trend with us. Let's see if we break this, I'll go with the buyers. Let me just check the other pairs for now. See, this doji break worked multiple times. See, we took this trade, it gave us this trade, and also it broke again and gave us this trade, and broke again and gave us this trade. If I was on the chart, I would take this trade. All right, now, okay, it didn't break it. It didn't break it. They rejected the price, so there's no setup for us to take this. Let me just go to lower time frame. Okay, I'd go with the buyers. Again, a bad entry. The entry should have been exactly on this touch. I believe, okay, calm down. I got two trades right here. So basically there's more chance of winning this trade now. Yeah. All right, as you know, this is a very strong demand area, okay? And we found a fresh supply inside of it. If you go back to lower time frame, you can see this fresh supply, okay? And why this is important, because it's causing a breakout, okay? I'm not taking this, okay, let me just take it very small so you can see. All right, this is also a good entry. This is the third touch breakout. But there's no other reason. Do you see other reasons? Maybe, yeah, we have the market sequence on this one, plus the third touch breakout. Okay, so if you have a breakout first, second, and it's happening on the third touch, you can take a trade, but you have to have other reasons as well. For example, market sequence can be a minor reason for that. Okay. All right. Also, it worked because we are in a ranging market. If it was a trending, if it was happening right here, it was trending, it wouldn't work. Okay, it wouldn't work at all. This one also as well. Look at that. First touch, second touch, third touch is breaking that. But since it's in a ranging market, it worked. Otherwise, it wouldn't work. All right, let me just move on to the next pair. I want to take this trade. This is a huge gap up. Okay, and we have minor downtrend. Okay. Drop, a base, and then a drop, again a base, probably another drop after this, because we are not at somewhere that market has been supported like this before. For example, if we were somewhere like this, okay, I wouldn't take this trade, but now we are at the middle of nowhere. For example, if we mark the support area and that resistance area, it's clearly support and resistance. Okay, if I have this setup somewhere here and it's against the resistance, if that's a buy setup, I wouldn't take it. For example, you know, if you look at this and look at this, basically there's the same setup, right? That is the same setup. And if we were taking the same setup right here, it would be this buy, which would be a losing trade. See that? Because we are at the resistance. But now in this particular case, we're not in a resistance or support. So I take the sell trade. There's a huge gap up, and this is a red green pattern area. Market's direction is moving like this to the support area, and then like that. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel, and peace out.